My name is Allison Jarek, and I teach Photo 1, Photo 2, Photo 3, Composition, and Portfolio. My main focus is building a foundation of camera settings so that the students can really create the work that they want to create. And I want them all to leave the classroom feeling empowered and confident and excited about the work that they're going to make. When we first built the portfolio class, I was most excited to see the long-term projects our students had been working on and that they were really passionate about, and to get to talk about photography in fine art terms. My favorite part about teaching at the Atlanta School of Photography is seeing how our really diverse range of students are just so excited to learn about the craft of photography and getting to be a part of that and a part of this community. In my classes, I also like to get beyond the technical aspects of the camera and really think about the images you're creating and the messages you're communicating through those images.
If someone was like, why should I sign up for a class with Allison?